Lisa Gollum here. Welcome to Tutorial Tuesdays. Quick tip number 1, blending with acrylic. You need a flat brush and a palette and just a few colors. Today I chose yellow and blue and magenta. You can also do red. These are primary colors. So when we blend primary colors, we can get rainbow effects. Acrylics are tricky to blend because they dry so fast. Unlike oils where you can blend, stroke through them multiple times, acrylics kind of dry and then it kind of scratches over the surface and doesn't really blend together well. So one of the tricks is to paint fairly quickly, which is hard when you're new. But you'll notice I'm stroking fairly quickly. I have not added anything to the paint. You can buy additives that will extend the amount of time that it stays wet. Alright, so I'm using like I said, about a 1-inch flat brush and just starting now to blend the colors. When you blend, you brush side up, you brush into the new color, back to the old color, into the new color, back to the old color. The more you stroke, the more it blends. But the main thing is not to dally. Now you'll see I'm using a mop brush. They're actually the king of blending. I like the flat brush to apply the paint to the canvas initially, but that brush is great for blending. It's also great for cute little effects. As you see, I decided I needed some more white and I just tapped it on with that. I could have left it there, makes a nice little design, but I basically just wanted to blend some white in to show you that you can lighten your colors and add color white on top, or the beauty of acrylics is you can continue to change and more blending. Looks like a rainbow. Look at that. And you see now how you're getting all the secondary colors. Goes from yellow to green to blue to purple to pink, just like a rainbow. And making sure that red and green and other complementary colors don't overlap. Okay, now I wanted to give you another example. And I just chose different colors this time, some yellow, white, and teal. Some of my favorite. And I used a bigger flat brush this time, just for the sake of going a little quicker. A small flat brush will do fine. Just make sure it's not a wall painting brush, the kind that you use to paint walls with, because they're too fat. All right, going into the teal. Teal is my favorite color, so if you want to get on my good side, give me a gift of some nice teal paint, I would love you forever and ever and ever. Okay, as you can see, I've moved the teal up and I'm just taking nice, even strokes, fairly fast, up and down through the different colors, through the 2 colors. Actually 3 colors if you call white a color. It really isn't a color, but some people call it that. One trick too is some people use too much paint and then it just keeps getting moved around. And I'm stroking in a different direction to get a different kind of a blend. So it's not one color on one side and the other on the other side. They're more blended together. But I wanted to demonstrate though that the more you stroke, the more you blend. And you can blend for as long as the paint is wet. But if you keep on stroking, you will get one solid, homogeneous color, which really isn't blending. It's created a new color. Okay, see you next Tuesday for the next quick tip.